All right, friends, I hope you're able to watch that letter W video. So we're going to move on to learning about weather today. So think about all those weather words that we talk about. And I want to know, is it the same? Do we have the same weather all year round? Is it always cold and snowing? Is it always sunny and hot? Or does it change throughout the year? I think that it changes throughout the year. And those different times of the year, do you remember what we call them? They're fall, winter, spring, and summer. They are our different seasons. So here's our word seasons. And this story is called What Makes the Seasons. So we're going to read to learn about which kinds of different weather make up the different seasons. All right, so we can see that it's written and illustrated by, so the author and the illustrator is Megan Montague Cash. So that means she writes the story and draws the pictures. All right, so let's see what our story is about. The day began with sprinkling rain, tapping at the window pane. Oh, that rhymes, rain and pain. And we can see the rain coming down. There's a little cat, and it looks like the cat's in bed with this child. It's still raining. Rain has turned the sky to gray. Our snowman friend has gone away. He melted. Fresh green leaves are peeking out. What makes this their time to sprout? So what did we talk about last week when we were talking about things growing? What season does that happen? Spring. Spring's mild weather wakes the seeds, bringing showers each seed needs. So mild weather means that it's cool. It's a little warm, a little cool, a little chilly. It depends on the day in springtime, but we do see a lot of rain in the spring, but it helps the plants to grow. Spring was here but couldn't stay. Spring left on what comes after spring? Fall, winter, spring, summer. So spring left on a summer day. Plants that once were hardly there now have flowers everywhere. Each tree and weed and lima bean shows its favorite shade of green. Why is this a growing season? Plants grow tall, but what's the reason? Why are they growing tall? Plants grow best in summer light when days are long and warm and bright. So summer days are long and warm and bright, and they help the plants to grow. But when the summer days are gone, the fall days have just begun. So after summer is fall. The sun grows dim, the wind blows cold, green leaves turn to red and gold. So we heard that it's starting to get cold and windy. And the wind is blowing the trees. Leaves use sun to make the food. When there's less sun, leaves come unglued. So you can see in this little picture, the leaves are starting to fall off the trees because of the wind. What season comes next? Do you know? We already had this one. It comes after fall. Let's see. The weather brought a change last night. Winter turned the world to white. What is that white stuff that came down in winter? Oh my goodness. Puffy snowflakes swirled high and low. Snow makes flurries. What makes snow? What makes snow? How does snow happen? Pay attention, this is important. In chilly clouds, the raindrops freeze. So it kind of starts as rain in the clouds, as rain does, and then it freezes so cold. It's one of winter's recipes. So the raindrops freeze and they turn to snowflakes. Winter is a time for sleep. Trees are resting, seeds will keep. So we usually don't see any new flowers or anything like that. The seeds stay under the ground. Many creatures sleep and wait. Winter's time to hibernate. And hibernating is a long nap, a long sleep that certain animals take in the winter. But what controls the seasons change and what makes weather rearrange? Why does that happen? Oh my goodness. We learned about space, and we know this is the sun, and we call our planet the Earth. Earth's yearly trip around the sun affects the seasons one by one. So as it spins around the sun makes it hot sometimes, and then sometimes when the sun isn't there as brightly, we aren't as close to it, then it's winter time and it's colder. In summer, when the days are long, the sun shines down both hot and strong, while winter has the shortest days, less time for Earth to get warm rays. So there's not as much sun in the winter. But when you have a winter day, it's summer half the world away. So on the other side, it's summer. If summer blossoms open wide, it's winter on Earth's other side. Seasons change 4 times a year. When each one ends, the next one's here. And we know those 4 are fall, winter, spring, and summer. And we can see them here in this picture. We have fall, winter, spring, and summer. Enjoying changes one by one makes the seasons so much fun. The end. And we know that the special thing about seasons and their different weathers, just as the end of the book said, is that we can do different things in different seasons. So let's see. Can you go swimming in the winter? Would you go to the beach and go swimming in the winter? No. What season would you go swimming at the beach? In the summer. If you said summer, you would be right. How about ice skating? Could we ice skate in the springtime when it's cool and starting to get warmer? Probably not. We would have to ice skate in the winter. Why would we ice skate in the winter? Why does it have to be winter? Think about that. Why does it have to be winter? I think it's because the ice has to be cold and freezing, and the coldest time of the year is in the winter. All right, so I have another quick activity we're going to wrap up with, and so join me in our next video.